Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I love preparing instant chutneys because they can be made very quickly and easily, and you can also store it to up to 2 days. Now when you don't have time to cook anything elaborate, these really come in handy. Today I'm going to share a really wonderful spicy mint chutney. This goes well with rice, rotis and even tiffins like idlis and dosas. I'll give you a couple of links to the other chutney recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. But now let's get started and check out this recipe. For the mint chutney, take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Heat the oil and add 2 teaspoons of Chana Dal, 2 teaspoons of Urad Dal and mix and saute for about 3 minutes on low flame to make sure that the dals don't get burnt. After 3 minutes, add 5 garlic cloves. Next, add 1 roughly cut up ginger piece. Now add about 4 to 5 bits of tamarind pieces. Next, I'm adding about 5 red chillies here. Add half cup of coconut bits, mix and saute for about 3 minutes to make sure the raw smell is gone. After 3 minutes, I'm adding about half cup of fresh curry leaves here. Now add 2 fresh bunches of mint leaves cut up excluding the stalk. Maintain the flame on low, otherwise the ingredients will get burnt. Gently mix, and once the leaves get cooked, they will shrink to a smaller size. So here I am just adjusting the leaves in batches to make sure the pan is not overloaded. Keep mixing the leaves gently, they will cook quickly. After the leaves are cooked, you can see that the quantity is drastically reduced here. At this point, add 1 teaspoon of rock salt to the pan. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of Hing as Asafoetida powder and mix well. We are done with cooking the ingredients. Now turn off the stove and cool the ingredients completely. Once the ingredients are cooled down, add them to the mixer jar and add a little water. Grind it all once. Don't add water all at once. Rather, just keep adding it in small amounts because the chutney has to be thick and nice. Scrape off the sides and add a little more water. You can see here the chutney consistency is perfect. All the fibers should be visible this way. Otherwise the chutney can be too soft in texture and we don't want that. Now the chutney is ready, so I'm transferring it to a bowl and keeping it aside. I'm now going to add tempering to the chutney. Add about a tablespoon of oil and heat it. Add about a teaspoon of Urad Dal, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and a red chilli. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, turn off the heat and add a few curry leaves. After it is done, transfer the tempering to the chutney and mix well. There you go, our tasty and spicy mint chutney is ready to be served. Now this goes amazingly well with hot rice and some ghee. You can also refrigerate this for 3 to 4 days and enjoy this with idlis or dosas. Whenever you don't have enough time to prepare the relevant side dishes, or you can also have this with fulkas and rotis. I call this recipe a healthy one because it's got the goodness of mint leaves in abundance. Now you can store this for up to 2 days and you can enjoy it with any main course of your choice. And it's very tasty. Make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly. To try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.